Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve this puzzle. So let's start with today's video. So what is given? 12 plus 13 is equals to 314. 11 plus 12 is equals to 268. 13 plus 14 is 370. So what is the sum of 12 plus 15? So as we know, the square of 12 is, we are doing first number square plus, that is 144, second number square, that is 169. So 144 plus 169 is 313. Now, but the number is 314, that means we need to add 1 also. That is 314. Now the second one, 11 square is 121 plus 12 square is 144. When we add them, we get 265. But the number is 268. That means we need to add 3. In the first case, we add 1. In second case, we have add 3. Now come to third case. The square of 13 is 169. And the square of 14 is 196. When we add them, we get 10, 16, 260, 365, and but the number is 70. So the next odd number is 5. We add 5 here. But what's the logic? The last question, 12 square is 144 and 15 square is 225. So when we add them, what we get? 369. What is the next odd number? After that, 1, 3, 5, 7. So we need to add 7 here. So 360, 76. What is the answer for that? 376. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.